Swiss Army knife, Tinker model, can opener. Fred told me that the modern ones don't catch the lip of the can very well. They slip off the side, which it kind of does seem to be doing that. And he offered that he's used a straight buck 110 before to open cans many times. Make this an easier process. Better the other way, left hand. Not much better that way. Yeah, the looks something like to use. I don't remember the Scout knife being this hard to put a can. Go back over all the parts I missed. Can of beans. I do remember splashing a lot back in the day. Yeah. Okay, well that got the flapper part. Yep. Sharp enough. So there we go. Open up a can of barbecue beans from Bush. Cool.